Hi guys, welcome to Celeb Gossip Entertainment. Remember the last video that I did where I said allegedly Shebeshit's daughter has died in a car accident? I was still not sure, and I'm here with this video today because it has been confirmed. My heart is just so painful, guys. I'm so hurt because I was maybe thinking it was just false news. I was just thinking, man, it's just false news. Maybe she's in hospital. You know how people are with the news, they always tell lies, most. But then here's a statement that was released by her school. It says, in memoriam of Ontatile Gladys Chwene, it is with profound sadness that we announce the passing of our beloved Ontatile Chwene, a cherished grade 3 learner at our school. Ontatile passed away on 8 June 2024, and our entire Northern Academy family is deeply affected by the loss. During this difficult time, we extend our heartfelt condolences to Ontatile's family, friends, and all who knew her. Our thoughts and prayers are with them as they navigate this unimaginable loss. Wow, I'm so sad, guys. I'm really sad. I was hoping maybe it was false news, but it has been confirmed. Our condolences to Shebeshit and the baby mama. It's really sad to lose a child. Please like and comment. I will see you on my next one. Bye.